So here we have 2 to the 100th power plus 2 to the 100th power. This right here is equal to which one of this? You know the deal, please pause the video and try this first. Done? Okay, let me just tell you guys. 100, 100. Be really careful with the rule of exponents. It's not 200 in this case. The answer is actually D. Alright? So now let's see how we can do this. Well, when we have 2 to the 100th power plus 2 to the 100th power, we are combining these terms. So in fact, this right here, we have one of the 2 to the 100ths and then the other one of 2 to the 100ths. So together, we have two of them. So this is 2 of the 2 to the 100ths. And this 2 is because 1 plus 1. And of course, this 2 is the same as 2 to the first power. And then, when we multiply this and that, we can add the exponents. So ladies and gentlemen, this right here gives us 2 to the 101. So this right here is it. This is the reason for that. Well, if the question was this, for example, if we have 2 to the 100th power times 2 to the 100th power, in this case, we'll just add the exponents just like this. So if this was a question, then we'll just do 2 to the 100 plus 100, and this is the one that will give you 2 to the 200th power. So be really careful with the notation, the operation, what's happening in between of these numbers. Exponents sometimes can be tricky, especially if everything looks really nice. Yeah, be really careful. So if you guys want to try other questions, go ahead and check out my playlist. I have